want to show you how to play Christ Arose, great Easter hymn from the 19th century. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of C, which makes it an easy song to play, really. We start off on a G. G, G, A, G, 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 F, A, G, A, B, C, C, G, G, A, G, F sharp, G. And then I play unison with the C, 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 G, G, C. So I play that line with both hands. C, 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 G, G, C. And then the left hand will fill in with chords right there. But then we go on. C, D, E, C, D, C, B, A, G. B, C, D, B, D, C, D, E, C, A, G. G, G, A, D, D, C, B, C, D. G, G, E, D, C, F, B, D, C, G, E, D, C. So there's the melody. And then what I'll do is I'll take that last line and use that as an introduction. So what I'm going to do in the left hand, I'm going to go C, E and G, the chord, then G, B and F to give the G7. See, suspended to the C chord. And then we end with a G7, B, F, G. So the G7 leads you right back into the melody. So the introduction will sound like this. Then G. So all you're going to do is arpeggiate the C chord, C, E, G, then an F chord with C, F, A, F in the middle, back to the C chord, then go down to G, B, D, F. So you've got the G, G, B, D, F. Right there, the F and the D come together, so you've got the whole G7 right there. Back to the C chord. Then we go to an F chord, but move your hand up because I'm going to go to an F, then to a C with C on the top, E, G, C, to an E minor, E, G, B, and then we're going to go to an A minor, C, E, A, to a D chord, to a G, and arpeggiate the G7. So we'll have it like this. It'll sound like the C goes with the C chord, and the G goes with the E minor, and then the A goes with the A minor. And go to the D chord, so that passing tone will suspend over the F sharp. And then we go to the G. And then we've got that chorus. Then a C chord. Now you can play open fifth if you want. If you want that hollow sound. I like this the full chord because I'm going to the F chord right after. After the C chord. So you're going to go da, ba, da, da, dee, da, C chord, F chord, C chord, ba, ba, ba. Now here you're just going to arpeggiate the G chord. G, B, D. Then we go to a C right there and play the F chord and then the G, the C chord. So when we play the A, we're going to have F, and then we go to a C chord for the G, and then we go to the D chord. Now we're going to go back and forth between the G chord, D chord, G chord. So let me play that again. Now when you hit this B, you're going to have the G chord and the C. You're going to have the D chord, which is with the C, it turns into a D7. See that C up there makes it a D7. Back to the G chord, then G, G, E, and pop the C chord. And once again, you can just have an open fifth there if you like that sound. Then we go to the F chord, C chord, G7. Now for the second verse, if you want to add another verse in there, I come down to a single note bass and I just play the melody very slowly and somberly with just a single note. C, F, C, G, C, F, E, hold it, then A, D, G, wait, and then hit the F for a seventh sound, then play the chorus just like we did. For the ending, I'm going to arpeggiate a C major seventh right there. G, G, B, C, and then do it in the right hand. So we go right up. Then when you get to this octave, just extend it up to the E instead of that C. So it'll sound like. Hold it. So you get the essence of rising. He arose all the way up the keyboard. There you have it, Christ Arose, great Easter hymn from the 19th century. Hope you enjoy playing it.